Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing alright. Welcome back to our channel. It's 14th of October today, it's Friday. Let's have a look at the crypto instruments. Let's have a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to share with you what I think is going to happen, just because I feel like a lot of people, a lot of retail traders are going to get fooled by the market pretty soon. And in this video, I'm going to explain why. Right, so what we've recently seen, in fact, we're going to start off from the higher time frames, from the daily time frame, right? By the way, if you haven't watched our videos, make sure to do so. We do analysis just like this one every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We look at other instruments. It's not just crypto. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below this video. Every one of you guys have a chance of winning a free access to our premium channel, where we basically comment on each one of those instruments that you see on my watch list here on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, now looking at the daily time frame, what we have here is price, testing yet again this support right here. But the Thursday this week, which was basically yesterday, was a very important day for the market. Okay, now looking at the lower time frames, you can see what I mean. We had quite a big move here on Bitcoin, and not just on Bitcoin but on Ethereum as well, like the rest of the pairs, especially the major ones. Okay, and that's because we had high impact news for the US dollar. Now, it's very clear to everyone already that, news about the US dollar, especially high impact news, definitely affect the price action here on the crypto instruments as well. Okay, just like the technical analysis works exactly the same, news and high impact events also affect price action here on Bitcoin, on Ethereum also, right? And like I said, yesterday was a big day because we had this rejection to the downside. As you can see, a rejection of the support area. Then we had a bullish candle close, and now we're seeing that the bulls are getting even more strength to the upside, right? So a lot of people think we're most likely going to see a full trend reversal, and that's not exactly the case. Okay, so looking at the hourly time frame, we've got this move right here, and trust me, this move is going to bring more buyers to the market, just because everyone sees that and I feel like we're about to see that reversal. Okay, and when we go back to the daily time frame, those traders out there who think that, we're about to see a full trend reversal, or basically price breaking above that area right here, above the 22k level, and then it carries on to break above, this resistance right here, and they think that it's gonna continue on and probably break above, major highs here. Those people are most likely going to lose money, or they're going to get stopped out at break even. They're not going to be able to make profit. And why is that? It's because I don't think this is a full trend reversal. Now, if you look at the on the hourly time frame, yes, it may look like a trend reversal, because I'm actually expecting to see price retesting that area up here, which is around 21k, roughly up to around 22k. Okay, and it's very important to see how price action is going to behave inside of this area. Are we going to see a trend reversal? Are we going to see that this is just a pullback, which I expect it is? And, is price going to be able to break above that? And if it does, then I'm pretty sure it's going to reverse at some point. Okay, so we are in a downtrend, a long-term downtrend. And right now, it's not the time to look for a full trend reversal. All right. Same thing on gold, same thing on euro dollar as well. If you look at the hourly time frames, yes, it may look like a short-term trend reversal, and we're probably going to have a continuation of the pullback here. But we need to know at what levels that pullback could potentially end, and where are we most likely to see, the continuation of the main trend, which is to the downside. Okay, so we're going to have a look at how price action is going to behave around 21k up to around 22k. And like I said, I'm pretty sure, of course you can't be sure about anything with the market, but I think there's a very high probability that we're going to see price forming a lower high, lower than this previous one right here, and it will then continue back inside of a downtrend. Okay, that's when the conservative traders will be looking to enter a trade. Okay, if you're a more aggressive trader, you can try and catch this move to the upside. But like I said, as soon as price enters this zone right here, you want to start observing price action more closely and look for reversal signals. Okay, now if you are already in a long trade, okay, and you've got your stops below there, you can actually keep this trade open. But looking to enter a long trade right now doesn't make a lot of sense, because we are up here around 20k. You're going to enter a long trade. Where are you going to place your stop loss? Now, placing your stop loss just down here doesn't make a lot of sense. Price can easily come here, retest the previous structure right here, and then push higher. So that means you're going to have to enter around 20k and place your stop losses around 18,000, and then expect that price will, you know, rise up to around 21k, and then it could potentially reverse. So that's not going to give you a good risk to reward ratio. All right, and that's why I'm saying, if you already have a long trade, let's say you enter after the news yesterday, you've had your stop loss down here, then you've already pretty much made 1-to-1. And if price is about to continue higher, which I think it will, well, then that's going to bring you even more profit. So that's fine, but looking to enter a long trade right now doesn't make a lot of sense. At the same time, you don't want to sell from current price levels, because like I said, we're most likely coming up here to retest this area up here, right? And these are the levels that you need to watch out here for Bitcoin. So let's move on to Ethereum now. Very similar situation. In fact, if you look at the daily time frame, we have even better rejection to the downside, right? So we formed this support right here. And with the candle yesterday, price pushed down, didn't manage to close down here below that support, and instead of that left a nice rejection wick, and it closed back inside of this range, okay, where price has been trading for a while. So like I said, I'm definitely expecting that, you know, the pullback will continue a little bit higher, and the levels to watch out here are 1440 up to around 1550, okay. Inside of this area is where we should see that reversal, right? Once we see that reversal to the downside, that's when we're going to be looking to take sell trades, and that's when you will have even higher success probability, because, you know, while we are in a pullback, we can use Fibonacci levels to find out where potentially this pullback will end, but it could always be earlier, or it could break above this area and then reverse, right? So that's the risk with the pullbacks. It doesn't mean you can't trade them. Of course you could. You drop down to a lower time frame, such as the hourly chart, and let's say if you see that price is pulling back to previous structure, it then gives you a nice reversal here. Well, then you can trade that. You can take a buy trade here, for example, right? Or you can place a Fibonacci right here. As soon as you see that there's a pullback on this move, you can place the Fibonacci. You can wait for price to retest the Fibonacci number, and once it does, and it gives you further confirmation, some type of a candlestick pattern, then you can enter a buy trade, right? But that's what we expect from the crypto market, and like I said, the major pairs as well. We expect that we're going to see a continuation of the pullback, so basically a weak US dollar in the short term when we look at the hourly chart. But when we come up to the higher time frames, we can see that price is just in a little bit of a pullback, and it will then continue the main trend, right? So don't expect that the crypto market is about to go on a massive bull run from current price levels, right? That's not going to happen. So hopefully that helps. Make sure to leave a comment below this video. Let me know if you trade crypto. Let me know what you think of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and let's see what's going to happen next. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now, and also check out all the links below this video. Follow us on social media and join our free Telegram channel as well. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos, where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.